Notice that I have put in the starting date and the project length 3 times here to illustrate a difference. A simple use of the math that adds dates and times allows us to simply say equal this value plus this 60 days from June 11th is this. Now, unless your environment is a 24/7 kind of operation, this would mean the project beginning on June 11th, working day by day by day, takes 60 days. You would be finished on August 10th. But many operations don't work Saturdays and Sundays, so we don't want to include those. So for comparison here, let's use a function called WORKDAY. The WORKDAY function begins with a starting date at June 11th, comma, and how many days we will be working. 60 days. We do not want to count Saturdays and Sundays. And the optional holidays we'll show you in just a second. So when is this completion date now as we look at it? Now it's quite a bit later. It's on September 3rd. But there are potentially some holidays in the mix here. And having a list of holidays nearby will make a difference. In this case, we've got a couple of dates, the July 4th weekend, maybe not a huge difference. Let's do the same sort of thing here. Copy this and adjust it by putting in holidays. Now, you can certainly include a list that goes well beyond the holidays we need, but let's say we might be using this list from time to time with other dates in the same column here. So we'll highlight them all and make that be an absolute reference and a different ending date than we saw previously. And then the other examples, and of course the difference here is that the July 3rd, which was a Friday, is not included. July 4th is a Saturday. It was included anyway. And a quick double click here gives us some other completion dates. And in all cases here, the function is taking into account not the Saturdays and Sundays and not the holidays that are part of that list that we see over in column A. So easy to use. It's sort of a variation on other kinds of date functions, but again, it gives us that quick ability to tabulate information and not include Saturdays and Sundays.